An Italian courtyard in the very heart of Ljubljana. Yes, you heard that right. Today, Food Patrol is in Ljubljana visiting Piazza. Atmosphere and comfort. They even have their own parking. Inside, you'll find a cool Italian-style interior that feels just like a courtyard in Italy. Plus a cozy terrace. Score 10. Service, friendly and positive staff, no doubt about it. 10. Price and value. A wide selection of Italian dishes, including around 30 types of pizza. Priced from €10.50 to €15.90. Score 9. Food. I ordered the Vesuvio pizza. It looked beautiful, but I didn't really enjoy the tomato base. Score 8. Cleanliness and hygiene. The dining area, cutlery, and glasses were spotless. The toilet was clean too, but there was an unpleasant smell. Score 8. Uniqueness and overall impression. The design gave me a true wow effect, and I'll definitely be coming back. Perfect spot for birthdays and meeting friends. Score 10. Overall rating, 9.2.